Hey everyone, and welcome back to the Dark Shark AI family. Today, we're diving into the world of cybersecurity strategy, specifically threat intelligence, TI, and the frameworks that power it. Whether you're a security pro or just curious about how organizations defend themselves, this is for you. So, what exactly is threat intelligence? At its core, threat intelligence, or TI, is the process of collecting, analyzing, and sharing information about current and emerging cyber threats. Think of it as being a detective for the digital world. It helps organizations understand the who, what, why, and how behind cyber attacks. The ultimate goal isn't just to react to attacks, but to get ahead of them, to anticipate, detect, prevent, and respond more effectively. A key part of using that intelligence is something called threat modeling. A threat model is a structured way to identify, analyze, and prioritize potential threats to a system, an application, or your entire network. In simple terms, it's the blueprint of how attackers might try to break in and, just as importantly, how you can defend against them. A good threat model covers 5 key areas. Assets: what are the crown jewels you need to protect? Customer data, source code. Threats: what could possibly go wrong? Data breach, service outage. Adversaries: who might attack you? Script kiddies, organized crime, state actors. Attack surface: where are you vulnerable? Login pages, APIs, physical servers. And finally, mitigations: how can you reduce that risk? Firewalls, encryption, training. Now, you don't have to start from scratch. There are several established frameworks to guide you through the threat modeling process. Each one has a different focus and is best suited for different situations, as you can see in this table. Let's break down some of the most popular ones. First up is Stride, a model developed by Microsoft. Stride is a threat categorization model, meaning its main job is to help you brainstorm and organize different types of threats. It's an acronym for 6 categories of threats. Spoofing, pretending to be someone or something else. Tampering, modifying data without authorization. Repudiation, denying that you performed an action. Information disclosure, exposing information to someone who shouldn't see it. Denial of service, making a system unavailable to legitimate users. And elevation of privilege, gaining capabilities you're not entitled to. Because it's so comprehensive at the design level, Stride is perfect for application and system security design. Next, we have Dread. While Stride helps you find threats, Dread helps you rank them. It's a risk rating system used to prioritize threats by scoring them across 5 factors. The score is calculated based on damage potential: how bad would an attack be? Reproducibility: how easy is it to repeat the attack? Exploitability: how much effort does it take to launch the attack? Affected users: how many people would be impacted? Discoverability: how easy is it to find this vulnerability? By producing a numeric score, Dread is an excellent tool for prioritizing which vulnerabilities to fix first. Now let's look at 2 more modern approaches, PASTA and VAST. PASTA, which stands for the Process for Attack Simulation and Threat Analysis, is a risk-based and business-driven methodology. It's a comprehensive 7-stage process that aligns security decisions with business objectives. It's best for organizations that want to ensure their security efforts are directly tied to business impact. Then there's VAST, Visual, Agile, and Simple Threat. As the name implies, VAST is built for modern development environments. It focuses on scalability and is designed to integrate seamlessly into Agile and DevOps workflows, making it ideal for large enterprises that need a flexible and continuous approach to threat modeling. Shifting gears a bit, we have OCTAVE and MITRE ATT&CK. OCTAVE stands for Operationally Critical Threat, Asset, and Vulnerability Evaluation. Developed at Carnegie Mellon, its key focus is on organizational risk rather than just technical flaws. This makes it a great framework for enterprise-wide risk management and governance. And then there's the famous MITRE ATT&CK. It's important to note this isn't a threat modeling method in itself, but rather a massive, globally accessible knowledge base of adversary tactics, techniques, and procedures, TTPs. It's an incredible resource for mapping your theoretical threats to real-world attacker behavior, making it essential for threat hunting and detection engineering. Finally, we have the Cyber Kill Chain. Developed by Lockheed Martin, this framework helps you understand the life cycle of an attack. It outlines 7 distinct stages an adversary typically goes through, from initial reconnaissance all the way to their final goal, or actions on objectives. By understanding these stages, security teams can better identify where to place defenses to detect and break the attack chain. This model is a cornerstone for defensive security operations and incident response teams. So, let's bring it all back together. As you can see, there's a framework for almost every need. Want to categorize threats while designing an app? Use Stride. Need to rank a long list of vulnerabilities? Dread is your go-to. Need to align security with business goals? Look at Pasta or OCTAVE. Working in a fast-paced DevOps environment? VAST is designed for you. And if you're focused on defense, incident response, and threat hunting, the cyber kill chain and MITRE ATT&CK are indispensable. The right choice always depends on your goal. The key is to move from simply knowing about threats to systematically modeling and mitigating them. That's all for today's deep dive. I hope this overview helps you understand the powerful frameworks we have at our disposal to build a more secure digital world. If you found this video helpful, please hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss our next one. Drop a comment below with which framework you find most interesting. Stay safe, and see you in the next video.